2009 Chevy Impala. Today we're going to be replacing the battery. Let's get to it. First thing we're going to do is remove our support brace right here, held on with three 13mm bolts. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to loosen our body control module here. It's held up top by two 7/16 nuts. And you can see we now have the ability to play with this and move it as we please. Let's go ahead and remove the terminals. They're held in with 10mm nuts. Now obviously these we don't need to remove, we just need to loosen them. Now that's out of the way. And next you can see right down here beside the battery there's a 13mm bolt holding it to its mounting plate. Go ahead and add a 6-inch extension. Pull that out and the mounting plate chuck. And with that, the battery should be ready to come out. I'm just going to move this negative out of the way, the negative terminal. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to try to stand this battery up on its end. And yes, everything is going to be in your way. It's just a pain in the butt. Alright, we got our new battery ready to go in. And by the way, for the type of battery, these take the 34 type battery. See, we can't just wiggle everything out of the way. Put our battery chuck down. We're going to hook our terminals up. And put our body control module back on. And put your support brace on. And make sure if you have your positive terminal has one of these covers, make sure you put that on. You'll notice that while they're both 13s, these have very different sized bolts. The bigger bolt goes up top. And when you're putting down these support bolts, make sure you put these things down good and tight. Do not leave them loose even a little bit, or else when you're driving, when your chassis shifts, you're gonna hear a knocking noise, and it's gonna be one of these bolts, and this frame is just gonna be slightly moving. I've had a lot of people with Impalas have a mysterious noise, and it ends up just being this one, or the one on the other side that was loosened or taken out and not reinstalled properly. So make sure you do that, or else you're gonna have a mysterious noise. Other than that, you did it. You replaced your own battery in your Chevy Impala. I knew you could do it. I didn't doubt it for a second. If you'd like to see more videos on these Chevy Impalas, go ahead and check out that video next. I made that one just for you. Other than that, this video helped you out. Leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you all next time.